Hello. Hi guys, it's Elaine here. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry about that. And we're at a fireworks store, and then there's a snow cone place right there. So we're gonna go see what kind of fireworks we can buy today. I'm really excited. Up to 70% off. So we're gonna look at some fireworks. Here we go. Awesomeness. Hi. Do you have any like of those little snakes?
We have snakes. So on this table, this big table between the two poles is buy one get four free, and your snakes are right there.
Okay, thank you. We're buying some really cool snaky things. Yeah, here they are, black snakes.
Buy one get four free.
Nice. How much are they?
Oh, $3. So you get one. Take four more. There you go.
How many are in there?
Oh, $3.60.
What are these? Can we spend more than 20 bucks though, since they have everything
Not
here?
really.
Why?
I don't want to.
Snappers.
Everything here is buy one get four free.
Okay.
Snapping pops. Get four more.
Snappers. We're also gonna get some magic candle. Is this buy one get four free?
Yeah.
Everything here?
Yeah.
Ooh. We love the candles.
Yeah.
I'm recording, so I just. And these are fun too, jumping jacks.
Nah, it's just like firecrackers.
Ooh, smoke grenades. Also, while we're here, we need to get some of those parachute guys. Look at this. Happy 4th of July. Holy mogoly crap.
Those are big. Giant.
Wow.
Can you get those too?
Yeah, here's sparklers. We need the buy one, get the four free. Is this buy one, get four free?
No. Just that middle table.
So can we get some sparklers? Oh wow, that's a lot.
That's enough.
Okay. Why don't we just kind of look around and see what else? Look for parachute guys.
We're gonna let you have.
Dang, that's a lot. Also look for smoke balls. What are these? Oh yeah. Look for smoke balls too.
Okay.
What are these? Crackling fountain. These are so cool. We're gonna get one of those. Look for smoke balls and fire cracker. I mean smoke balls and parachute guys. So oh, here's smoke balls. Here's smoke balls.
Okay, put them in here.
Okay, now we need to look for some parachute guys, which I might have to ask. In the dark, like on the card. Sling parachute day. Here's parachute. They're $1. You want to get two? I'll get three. Not like on the card. I don't know. We're probably almost about $20. Maybe we can get like one more thing. The smoke balls are really expensive. They're $3.95, almost $4. They're really expensive. I just kind of want to look around and video like everything. So maybe we can see what else there is. See, I got this entire table right here is buy one get four free. What are these? Butterfly. Oh, sorry. Butterfly rocket. Butterfly flying butterfly rocket. I'm not gonna say exactly where we are, like what state. I'll just say what state we're in. We're in Missouri, St. Louis, Missouri. And ooh, these are pretty. They're neon sparklers. Pretty. My favorite is the sparklers. I don't know why, but I just love the sparklers. Like twin sparklers, like at night or whatever. Color sparklers. What am I? Oh, okay. Wow, American Thunder. I love firecrackers too, but my dad says we can't get them. But we'll get 2 firecrackers. I mean, why not? They're just firecrackers. They're loud, but they're really, really fun. I think we already grabbed some of these. I don't really know, but I don't know. Disco Flash. I don't know what this is, but this is kind of cool. Disco Flash says, caution, flammable. I don't know what a Disco Flash does, but... Ooh, Speed Racers. Tristan would love this. Tristan, a Speed Racer. Those are 55 cents. Tristan, no, those. Tristan would like these. Like, we could get one just for him, like, so we could watch it over. I think you light it and it, like, speeds. Woo! Want to get one of these?
Yeah.
I think that's enough. We can... confetti thingies. I remember these. These are so awesome. They're really loud. I don't really like these, but you remember these guys? Confettis? You pull the string and confetti shoots out. It's not... I mean, I think I know why. No, I want to get some of those.
No, because you're not going to hold them, and I don't want you.
Yes, I am. I always do. Then we'll just get one.
You can't just buy one. It's buy one, you get 4 free. Buy one, it's like $5.
We don't have to stay at 20. We can go over.
Yeah, are you going to pay over?
I'm just saying.
Look at all these firecrackers.
$159. $160.
It's 160,000
What?
firecrackers.
Wow.
There's 160,000.
Imagine if you lit all those off at once. Imagine if you lit all those at once, Daddy. That'd be pretty dang loud.
Yeah.
Mega Fortune Wheel. I like this, whatever it is, but... Who's gonna rock this? Okay, bye, guys. Happy 4th of July. Bye.